This is my custom Eastern Dragon bike check. I'm going to list the stock parts first, which are the frame, forks, cranks, and wheels. Other than that, it's aftermarket parts. Well, to start out with the aftermarket parts, I have ODI long neck grips, Eastern Wonder Year handlebars that are 9.5 inch rise by 27 inches wide. I got the Shadow Attack top load stem. I've got an Eastern front tire and an Aaron Ross Odyssey or Odyssey keyboard tire, keyboard grip tire. I've got the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain with a Eastern Medusa ultralight sprocket. I've got Shadow Ravager pedals and a profile racing seat. And that's my bike check.